You've probably never seen an engine like this, despite the technology being over a century old. Opposed piston engines, like this one by Acadis Power, operate similarly to two-stroke engines. When the pistons reach their respective bottoms, fresh air flows in from ports at the bottom, while exhaust is rejected through ports at the top. That fresh air is squeezed in a small pocket in the center of the cylinder as both pistons come together, where finally diesel fuel is directly injected, igniting the mixture and creating the power stroke. This pushes the pistons out, and the cycle repeats itself. This all results in an engine that is small, power dense, and quite efficient. So why don't we see these used in production cars? Is it because electric cars just make more sense? For a different opinion, well, just read the comments.